Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Explore IT Issue Solution for All. In the previous video, we learned how to automatically take backup of Cisco devices configuration using Python. And today is the day 3 of our network automation series. So if you are logging into the Cisco devices one by one and running commands manually, then you are wasting a lots of time. So in this video, we learn SSH automation and see how to learn multiple device commands automatically using Python and NetMiko. So, so no manual work, no repeated logins, everything will be automated. Let's get started. Okay, so for creating a script, we just show you one things in the lab I have created. So this is our lab. This is our lab, and I have added one Cisco router here 3746, and I have configured some configuration in this router like show you. This is a router, so I'll just show you. Enable and enter the password 1234 and show version, so IP INTBR information, interface information, and show running configuration. Okay, hope you are able to see. If you not, then you can see. So these information we get automatically by the Python script. So same thing, we have created a script via the Python. So I have a script I have already prepared, so I'll just show you. So this is a script. Okay, so this is a NetMiko. So I just told you, if you are not check out my old video, my previous video, so you can check so you are understand what is the NetMiko and what is the code creating functions. Okay, so in this I will show you in this. So this is a code, as I am added here the device type Cisco IOS host 192.168.244.200, which is our Cisco router IP. Username as I have created in the switch, so I am added here. Password, the same password which I have logged in, so same password I have using here. And secret, which is I enable password, which I using the switch, using the router. Okay, so once you have input the information, so with this information you got the access of the router. Okay, so after that, once you have access, then the what output you need to require. So suppose that I have added here some commands: show version, show IP interface brief, and show running configuration. We got three these command information in the router.output.txt file, which is automatically created once you have run this code in the Python. Then we got the output in this file. So same thing, I'll show you how to create a file and run in the Python. So let's see. So I've just copied this code, and this is our folder as I have created earlier. So in this folder I just go and create one notepad file here and pasted this code here. Okay, paste it and save. Once we have saved this file, just click close and right click on this file, and I added the name, rename this file, and just rename SSH automation.py. py we have added the extension because we are run this command via the path from the Python, so py is the extension of the Python. Okay, so once this is done, now the next step is we just go to the cmd command, cmd. Okay, then open the cmd, then go to the same folder directory. So just type it at cd space desktop, now cd and Cisco auto backup folder. Once you in the inside the this folder, you just type here python space ssh automation.py. So this, once you have find this name, you just type enter here. So once I just type here enter here, I'll just show you what input I get. So we have created one file as our script router.output.txt. The all three information we received in the this file inside the folder, same folder. So let's see. So once you have type here, you just hit enter. So once you have hit enter, the prompt the router -01 and backup complete successfully. Correct. So now go to the same folder and check out what information we have received. So I'm just coming in here. Okay, see this first line, our version. So we have received the show version command we have in the first line. So we received the version information in this file 12 point something. Second command, we run the show IP interface brief. So we receive the show information of the router interface. And third command, we have run the show running configuration. So building the configuration. So current Cisco router configuration we have received here in this file. So this type of automation, you got the information. You can receive the Cisco devices or router information automatically by this script. So if you are in this video we learn how to run multiple Cisco commands automatically using Python and NetMiko. If you are serious about the learning network automation and want to save hours of manual work, make sure you to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell, because in this series we are building real world automation project step by step. In the next video we learn how to automate multiple devices at once, which is a must have skill for every network engineer. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.